Hey everybody, this is Kathy Puffer, and I am so excited today because we are going to be doing a home biogas unboxing with you. Our new home biogas system has finally arrived with several accessories, and ahead of delivery they sent me a little love swag, a lovely shirt, and we're going to get started here opening up our new digester. Box number one, as you can see, this is pretty light and transportable, and I am going to open it up, and wow, sweet! Look at all this stuff. Comes with your home biogas instructions, which are very helpful, believe me, but their YouTube channel and video is far better. So let's see what else we got here. Ah, yes, sweet. First things first is more swag for me. I love this hat. This is awesome. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here, and I am going to break it down and tell you what each part is for and how we're going to put this all together. First things first is yellow gas line. This is the line that is going to attach to our stove, which is down here somewhere, and I can't wait to see. This right here is an elbow that connects from the digester to possibly the feeding tube or the overflow. And very important for keeping our stove nice and fresh looking and preventing it from rusting. This is a sulfur scrubber. You hear that? Those are the little pieces of steel in here that is going to scrub the gas, and the hydrogen sulfide is going to gobble that up instead of my stove. All right, oh man, another piece for the gas line. And oh God, this is the sink, and it is nice and big. I like the size of this sink because it helps to prevent spillage on the biodigester, which is crazy important when you live on a farm like we do and you don't want to be attracting rodents. Here is another gas line. What I like about this gas line is that it is bright yellow, so it's really easy to find and to avoid putting something on top of the gas line because it's really bright and noticeable. This is the plunger, and we use this for feeding the biodigester. All right, goes through. Very good. And more parts, more parts, more parts. Ah, sweet. Okay, this is for the overflow. And more fittings. And oh, great. These are the bags for the sandbags for putting pressure on top of the gas bag. We need that, definitely. And oh my goodness, another piece. Oh, we must get it out. Ooh. Another piece for a feeding tube. And overflow. This is what I've been waiting for. Check it out. It is the home biogas stove, and this is a wonderful high quality stove, specially made for cooking on biogas. And oh, check it out. You can't wait to see this. We can't wait. What on earth is this? And here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful, shiny black stove. What I love about this stove is how the burner is designed to produce a nice, even flame for cooking, And just look at the quality of this work, these nice tight gaskets. That is going to prevent any leaks, and it's just really going to improve the safety of our kitchen. And this is a self-lighting stove. Listen to this click. Here we go. Hear that? So all I have to do is a click and my stove is going to light. And one of the best things is the burners, so that I have a wide burner on top and this piece here in the middle, so I can have both my big pots and my small pots here on the stove, and it is going to work wonderfully. Fantastic. We got the stove. As you can see, this was a lot of stuff just for one box. Now I'm going to clear all this away and move on to the next one. And here we are. I go, you go, we all gotta go. We wanted to get something extra special for our house. So we also got the HomeBiogas toilet. And we're going to get this unboxed and see what we have. All right. Ooh. Again, directions. Handy to have. I love the YouTube also. And oh my goodness gracious, this is not what I expected at all. All right, I have some pieces here. And oh my goodness, this looks heavy. Oh, can she do it? Yes, she can. It is a toilet. Oh, couldn't forget. This is not just any toilet. It is a HomeBiogas toilet that is going to connect up to the biodigester. So all food does not go to waste in our house, because even when we are done with the food and it comes out of our bodies again, it is going to be recycled back into the loop through the HomeBiogas, through an irrigation system that is going to help to grow beautiful plants for us. And we are ready to open the third and last box. So this is another flat box, and it is not heavy. And here is, oh my gosh, this great big sack, which is, dun, 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 dun. As you can see, it is the HB2, HomeBiogas 2. So this includes both the digester as well as the gas storage system. And this is going to be much too big to completely unroll here in my living room. But just to give you a taste, just a little taste about the quality here, you can see the tough tarp-like material that is used for the outside cover. The inside membrane is protected by this outside cover, and you're going to see, very important, there is a piece of cardboard here. You do not remove the cardboard, because when you pop the feeding tube through, this piece of cardboard is going to protect the inside membrane. So this whole piece, this one big piece, is the digester. This is the whole thing. And it's really simple to assemble, because you just put in the tubes and fill her up. So I can't wait to do the next video to show you how we put this whole thing together with the toilet and winterization soon. Thank you so much for joining me for my HomeBiogas unboxing video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to see more videos and how to build a winterization system for this awesome system, you want to be joining KathyPuffer.com and opt in to my emailing list to learn about new classes that I will be offering. Peace. Checking the manual for the toilet. It's actually really comprehensive and really good. It's a good manual. I could read this for a while.